Greetings, this is Donnie. All right, we're going to talk about simplifying expressions with distributing and combined like terms, okay? So there's steps to doing this, okay? So first, with this, we want to go ahead and distribute first. All right, that means a number that's right next to the parentheses. We want to distribute that number right next to the parentheses. And then we're going to combine like terms, meaning we're going to add and subtract these like terms. We're going to combine them so we can simplify our expression as simple as possible, okay? So right here, I see the 7 right here. The 7 is right next to the parentheses that holds negative 8x and negative 2. And so we're going to multiply 7 times negative 8, okay, which is negative 56x. And then 7 times negative 2, which is negative 14. So now I have negative 56, x minus 14. Great. No more parentheses. We're done with these. Now we have this 10 right next to the negative 5x and the 7, right? So we're going to distribute that also, right? So 10 times negative 5, which is negative 50x. And then 10 times 7, which is 70, all right? So now that we have no more parentheses, now we're done with distributing. Now we're going to combine like terms. And so I know for sure with this negative 56x and this negative 50, I know that should be 106x. And then I have this 70 and negative 14, where I'm going to do a little bit of quick math here. Right, this is 6, this is 10, this is 6. This is, 56. So this will be negative 106x plus 56. And I have nothing else to combine here because this is an x and negative 110 or negative 106 is an x and 56 is just a regular number. We are done. Let's go to this next problem here. Again, I got 6x minus 2 times negative 3x plus 8, okay? So I have this negative 2 that's b is right next to the parentheses, so I want to distribute that, right? Negative 2 times negative 3x. I'm gonna just go ahead and drop down this 6x because I'm not doing nothing with it yet. This is 6x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6x. And then negative 2 times 8 is negative 16, okay? The parentheses are gone. Everything's been distributed. Now I can just combine like terms. I have this 6x and another 6x right next to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and add those two to make 12x minus 16. And 12x, those are x's. Negative 16 is just a regular number. I am done. All right, last question here. Again, we want to distribute first. So I got this 5 right next to this parenthesis. So I'm going to distribute negative 5 to 7y. That gives me negative 35y. And then negative 5 to this 3. That gives me negative 15. And then I just drop down this negative 2. It's not in the parentheses, so don't try to multiply it. Okay. And then now I combine like terms. I got negative 35y, negative 2y. That gives me negative 37y to negative 15. Nothing can combine with that. I'm done. All right. Hopefully this helps. If not, just comment and like my video. If you want me to go through more problems, I can create more problems, more exercises. So hopefully, so you'll be able to understand. All right. That's pretty much it.